welcome back to Foodmaniabyanya. Sorry I was missing for such a long time because now school has started and now they're giving us work. We have no free time to do anything. We do our work, then eat and then sleep. So I was missing for a long time, but today I'm back with you guys, and today we are going to be making a red velvet cake. So without wasting any time, let's start.
Step 1. We will need 1 cup of milk to make buttermilk, and we'll need half teaspoon of vinegar. And now I'm gonna mix it. So now I'm gonna set it aside so it gets curdled and so it can be a buttermilk. For making the cake, we need all-purpose flour 2.5 cup. Now I'm gonna add it slowly because I don't want anything to get messed. Now what am I doing? Now you are gonna add baking soda, half teaspoon. I can't even add it. 2 tablespoon cocoa powder. Salt 1 teaspoon. Just put it on this. हमने इसको छाना है क्योंकि इसमें बॉल्स रह गई थी. ये देख सकते हैं आप क्योंकि ये टूटी हैं. Now I will put it on side and move on to the next one. There we go. Now I am gonna add butter, half cup at room temperature. Spoon. Take it out. And guys, if you don't remember, this is the machine that my nano gave me. Now I'm gonna add 1.5 cup of powdered sugar. This is trouble. There we go. So now I'm gonna mix it until it gets creamy and fluffy. Let's see on how much. Let's do it on 1 for now. Did you hear that? It's so silent, guys. Let's get it on 3. Tabama! Yeah, guys, it's so not noisy. Let's get it on 5. Now I'm gonna add 2 eggs, 1 at a time. And all ingredients should be at room temperature. In this? Okay, I was just making sure, guys. Okay. Okay, 1 egg. Now I think we need to mix. Not from there. Except full. Now I'm gonna add the second egg. You need to stand up for this. Is there any gel left or whatever it is called? Close it. Full. Now I'm gonna add 1 cup of vegetable oil. Fully done. And I'm gonna now beat it again. Close. How to close this? Okay, one eye. I'm gonna add my buttermilk already prepared. Now mix. Oh yeah. I feel like mixing on 5 speed. Now I'm gonna add my dry ingredients. If I know how to. Let's just add it now. There. Now another, right? Okay. Just add another bunch. Just add a bunch. Now let's mix it up. Now let's beat it up. Now I'm gonna add all of it. Vanish it into thin air. Allah bhai Allah. Now I'm gonna beat it on low speed, not on high speed. Now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of red food coloring to make it red velvety cake. I can smell it. Now I think beat it, right? I know everything about cakes. On low speed because or maybe on this much. Woo! Healthy guacamole! So now I am gonna add the batter that I just ready into the pan. I already greased this pan. Let's add it. You are strong, you are brave, you can do everything you wish. Yeah. Should I leave it? Yeah. Now we are gonna tap it so all the air bubbles can be removed. So now we are gonna bake it, and you can see the temperature on the screen.
माशाल्लाह ये केक कितना डिलीशियस लग रहा है और ये पूरे घर में इसकी स्मेल बढ़ गई है, लेकिन अभी वेट करना पड़ेगा कि फ्रॉस्टिंग हो जाए, है ना।
केक रेडी हो गए और अब हम इसको रूम टेम्परेचर पे कूल डाउन होने देने होंगे। तो हम वेट करते हैं और हम आते हैं वापस फ्रॉस्टिंग के लिए। So our cake has cooled down at room temperature, and now we are gonna make the frosting. Now I am gonna add 2 cups of whipping cream. I'm gonna mix it on full speed. Now our frosting is ready, and I'm gonna cut the cake into 2 halves, and I'm not gonna almost use all of this. Some of it is gonna be white and some of it is gonna be red. Almost done with cutting. There. ये है क्रीम का टेक्सचर, फ्लफी सा, क्रीमी सा। और अब हम लगाएंगे इस मार्वलस केक पे। यम। Starting now. I mean now. तो अगर आप लोगों को नहीं पता लेकिन मैं एक शो के लिए सिलेक्ट हुई हूँ, राइजिंग पाकिस्तान, तो उसको आप जाके देखिए और मैं शो में होंगी कल 10 बजे। Now we are going to put the second piece that we cut. Nice and flat. Where you now put the other layer on it and then, I want, gotta wait. As you can see, the frosting is clear. It's all smooth. I added my food coloring and this is how it turned out. In the lights you can't really see it, but it is all good. Now we are gonna put it in a piping bag. Now as you can see, I am putting it in the piping bag. अल्लाह, तो हमारा केक की अब टॉपिंग शुरू है। अल्लाह अल्लाह। Now I am gonna put some golden pearls. Give me one gold pearl. You can also eat these pearls, they are edible. Why would we put pearls that are not edible? And now we're going to put some balls in the front door. माशाल्लाह बहुत यम्मी लग रही है, तो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम खाते हैं। इतना स्मूथ। Yummy. Like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video.